Hi everyone, we're gonna talk about the ICT and multimedia and the benefits of it in the 21st century. So, can you imagine a single day without your phone, the internet, or even the social media? Hard to think about, right? That's because ICT and multimedia are already part of our everyday lives. First, let's define our topic. ICT, or Information and Communication Technology, refers to tools like computers, smartphones, and even the internet that help us to connect and share information. Meanwhile, multimedia is the combination of text, image, audio, and animation. To communicate ideas effectively, together they are shaping the 21st century. In education, ICT makes learning flexible and fun. So, online classes, ebooks, and interactive videos give students access to knowledge anytime, anywhere. So, in communication, ICT connects people instantly with messaging apps, social media, and video calls. So, distance is no longer a barrier. When we talk about business, ICT and multimedia are game changers. Online shop, digital payments, and advertisement make it easier for companies and customers to interact. Entertainment is also transformed from streaming movies and music to online games. So ICT and multimedia keep us informed and entertained. So when it comes to everyday life, in a daily life we use ICT in almost everything. So navigation, app, online banking, and even smart appliances at home. As you can see, multimedia and ICT are not just tools. They are likeness of the 21st century. They change our learn, work, and play connect with others. So mastering that means mastering the future. Now, I want to hear from you. What ICT or tool or multimedia platform do you use the most of every day? So comment down below and don't forget to like, share the video. Bye!